Presenting the Canon Pixma G2012 all-in-one ink tank color printer. The printer is ideal for regular or frequent home and small office usage requiring more than 300 prints per month. The printer uses the ink tank technology, which is ideal for high-volume printing at low running cost. This multifunction printer can perform print, scan and copy functions and can print in color as well as black and white. Connect to the printer using the USB cable. It is compatible with Windows XP, Vista 7 and above. You get a printing speed of up to 8.8 black and white pages or 5 color pages per minute. The printer also supports multi-paper sizes and borderless printing to help with your various print requirements. Get low printing cost at just 8 paise for black and white prints and 21 paise for color prints. The printer features a 1.2-inch mono LCD display to produce multiple copies, scans and prints with ease. The compatible ink bottle for this printer is GI790 Black and GI790 Cyan Magenta Yellow. This printer comes with 2 bottles of GI790 ink black in the box in addition to one each of Cyan, Yellow, Magenta and Black. This product comes with 1-year on-site warranty of 15,000 pages print whichever is earlier. This printer comes with free installation by the brand. Check the product page for more details. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.